Welcome to Moonlight Channel, where we explore the future of money and investment. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines two major trends, cryptocurrency and real estate. The question is, can you use cryptocurrency to invest in property? And if so, how does it work? Stay tuned to find out. The main content explains how cryptocurrency can be used for real estate investment, starting with definitions and methods, then detailing benefits and risks, and ending with real-world examples. What is cryptocurrency and real estate investment? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, secured by cryptography and decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by governments or banks. Real estate investment involves buying, owning, and selling properties to earn from rent or value increase. Traditionally, these transactions are slow and paperwork heavy, but cryptocurrency is changing that. Methods of using cryptocurrency in real estate. There are several ways to invest. Direct purchase. Some sellers accept cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, making transactions faster and cheaper by skipping banks, though prices can fluctuate, adding complexity. Tokenized real estate. Properties are divided into tokens, allowing fractional ownership, which is great for expensive properties and easy to trade later. Crowdfunding platforms. Platforms like Proppy and Realt let investors pool crypto to fund projects, enabling small investors to participate without large sums. Blockchain-based platforms. Blockchain makes transactions secure, transparent, and efficient, reducing fraud risk since records can't be changed once logged. Benefits and risks. Benefits include faster transactions, lower fees by cutting intermediaries, global accessibility for anyone with internet, transparency via blockchain, and security through encryption. Risks include price volatility, which can affect investment value, regulatory uncertainty as laws evolve, limited acceptance by sellers, and technical complexity requiring a learning curve. Real-world examples. In 2007, a house in Austin, Texas, was sold for Bitcoin, one of the first notable cases. Companies like Honeybricks and Realty offer tokenized investments, and Dubai is exploring blockchain for real estate to enhance efficiency and secure it. So in summary, cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the real estate market by offering new ways to invest in property that are faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Whether you're looking to buy a full property with cryptocurrency or just a piece of it through tokenization, there are options for you. However, it's essential to do your research, understand the risks involved, and stay updated with the latest developments in this fast-changing field. If you're thinking about jumping in, make sure you're comfortable with the technology and the potential ups and downs of cryptocurrency prices. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about cryptocurrency, real estate, or other financial topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. And don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you for watching. And now, we'll leave you with some stunning visuals of beautiful properties and locations around the world that'll spark your appetite for this exciting topic.